check out this men's beard kit that I received from the company. Now, I have loved this thing. We're gonna pull everything out of the box, kind of show y'all. If you have a beard, you're gonna love this thing. So, nice kit to have to take care of grooming your beard. I'm gonna take everything out of the box. It does come with a little card here if you have problems with anything. Everything comes in a nice little bag here, so it's all put into one place. We're gonna take everything out of here. Kind of show y'all. It's gonna come with a nice little pair of grooming scissors here. Just typical scissors. It's got a really nice brush with about a medium bristle on it. Feels really good brushing through the beard. It also comes with a comb, just like this right here. You know, you can use this comb to trim with the scissors. And it also comes with a hair catcher that you're going to put this on your neck here. It just goes around your neck like this right here, and it has these two little pieces here that hook on the bottom, and you can stick these to a mirror or anything like that, and this is going to be out like this to catch the hair when you're trimming your own beard. So really cool. Pretty much anything you need to kind of clip and trim it. I love these little brushes like this, and this is a good one. It feels really great, and it's a really well made comb that comes with it too. And this is the box that it comes in. And you have always got this little handy bag. You can keep everything in and keep it together, and just a really great kit. So if you're in the market, if you have a beard and you want something like this to keep, this is a great item to take on trips or anything like that. I highly recommend it.